It's really attacking the fuck out of every single lead. So if it's make an offer, the task is going to be dependent upon his response to the offer, right? It's either going to be sending the contract, going over there right now, he's going to talk to his wife and it goes on the hot one for tomorrow, or maybe now it turns to follow-up depending on how the offer went. If it goes to follow-up, then going right in there and I'm putting in for 3 weeks. Now I come in the next day and this is pile number 1, right? They didn't answer. Now hopefully at noon, I called them again, NA, right? NA, and again in the afternoon, blah, 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 blah. Okay, and I've got 1 new lead, okay? But I've still got the 2 leads from the day before. First things first, did anybody else, like any of these, did anybody call me back any hot? Because that would be the hottest one. If somebody in this pile called me back yesterday, that takes precedence over new lead here calling me back because that one's getting more age. So if this one is a deal and I let it go stale again, they might just turn into the mindset of like, fuck this, whatever, okay? So I'll call him before him, but I'm still gonna get to all of them pretty quick. What I recommend doing is having 3 on your desk, and they never get scanned in until you qualify them. So you have like literally 3 piles in front of your desk, day 1, day 2, day 3. After day 3, they should go into Podio and get moved to something else, like the triple dial spreadsheet, broadcast them next week, like anything. But if we pound them for 3 days, day 2, day 3, as you're seeing those stacks, you're starting to look at, can I Google these people? Can I go on Spokio? What else can we do?
Hey guys, time out! Hit subscribe below and then hit the bell. You're gonna get notified every time we have a new gem for you.
Really work your day, guys. Like when I come in, I like the screen time because it's hard to read. When you come in, it should be hot, right? And callbacks. When I say callbacks, that's like, okay, I called them yesterday, they were due. They called me back last night, right? Now, like those are those ones. So hot, callbacks, then new leads. Then follow-ups, then marketing, then attempts, second attempts, new leads, third attempts, new leads, right? Now second attempts and third attempts have to get done. They can get bumped up to marketing or whatever. They should take 2 seconds because when the sheet's right there, you're power dialing, right? Most of them aren't going to answer. That's why they're the uncontacted sheet. But if 1 out of 5, 1 out of 6 answers, and you do that 3 times a day, you keep pace where now all of a sudden that pile's not just getting bigger, bigger.